Hello, in today's video we're going to look at KDP Interiors and Q4 ideas. Now, Q4 stands for quarter four. That's like your Christmas time and your Halloween, etc. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm Jay Roberts and this is Make Money with Video. I make videos how to make money online, mainly using video creation tools, and I upload them to different social medias. As you can see, feel free to come and check the channel out. I've started to do KDP as well because I like creating things, and you can check out these last couple of videos if you want. So let's get into it, guys. Quarter four is the busiest time on Amazon. Most people, well, like busiest time around the world. People are buying things left, right, and centre for the kids and that, getting ready for Christmas, Halloween, you name it, guys. So I'm going to show you a few different ideas that you can do, and then I'm going to show you how you can get these already done for you and make it a lot simpler for you. So let's get into it, guys. Now, not in any particular order. These are just some that I'm looking into and making myself. So we've got obviously your obvious ones, colouring books. Now these can go from anything. Like you've got your mermaids. Yeah, I'd stay away from like copyrighted stuff like Disney and movies and stuff like that, superheroes. But yeah, you can do anything. You can colour by number, goth looking and pastel goth, yeah, baby animals, like scenery, stress relief and that. You name it, guys. You can make colouring books. Just use your imagination, or just basically look what other people are doing and create it, guys. Don't copy exactly, but just use your own ideas. Yeah. Stay away from Peppa Pig, like I said. Stay away from Minecraft, even though people are doing it, guys. It's like little pony. Stay away from that, guys. Just make your own up. Moving on, planners. People love planners. Yeah, so you can see how basic they are. Just a plain like colour and a bit, or you can put a bit of flowers on it. They're not as hard to make as you think. You can get all the templates and that. I'm going to show you where. So let's move on, guys. Another one is activity books. Now these are where like they've got like colouring pages, games like crosswords, word scrambles, you name it, guys. And you can see they're quite popular. No, in fact, they're very popular. And these are quite easy to make. I've made quite a few of these already. I do enjoy making these. Yeah. Moving on is puzzle books. Now these are similar to activity books, but not exactly the same. I know we've seen a couple of them on the last page, but these are more like brain teasers. Yeah, so like your Sudoku and your crosswords, your word search, you name it, guys. A lot more like to keep the brain active, whereas the activity books, they're more for like kids, like matching and spot the difference and things like that, guys. Yeah. So another one, guys, is Halloween. Yeah. So it's now we're starting to niche down. So where we had activity book, yeah, we're now niching it down so you can do a Halloween activity book, Thanksgiving activity book, yeah. And this is the American. This is Amazon.com, yeah. So I've typed in Halloween activity book for kids. Then I'm going to show you the exact same Halloween activity book for kids, but in the UK, yeah. And I'll explain in a minute. So yeah, look, these are quite good. The covers are very good, very stand out on the guys. Looks like a lot of work to be put into them, but you don't have to put in a lot of work. Yeah, quite easy to make. You can make these on Canva, etc. Now let's go over to the UK one, guys. So I've put the same in, yeah, Halloween activity book for kids. Scroll down, yeah, and see this one here, guys. This is my book, yeah. Now I've got 1 5-star rating so far, I think, yeah. And yeah, this is my book, guys. Now, granted, it is on page 2, yeah. It's on page 2, but we're still up there, guys. So if I can do it, and I've only just started, I've only made a few books so far, then you can do it, guys. And yeah, Halloween activity book for kids. See, it's there in the title. It's there. I released it on the 17th of June, and it's on the 2nd page already. So it's made a sale. And moving on, nativity colouring book. You can also do nativity activity book. Yeah, and these are all simple. And you might be thinking, I can't draw. Yeah, I can't draw, I can't design. But guys, I'm going to show you. Yeah, moving on. Christmas. Christmas is going to be the most popular kind of books to sell, guys. Yeah, Christmas activity books, Christmas colouring books, you name it, guys. Christmas word search, Christmas puzzles. You've got so many to choose from, guys. I love these books. Kids love these books. They sell, guys, and that's why people make them. And now, moving on, I'm going to show you where you can get these from. So this is called Creative Fabrica. Now, you don't have to sign up. Yeah, you can buy these packs individually. So what I mean is, I've typed in KDP Interior, so it'll give you some ideas. So you can do mail tracker logbook, to-do list planner, daily planner, recipe planner, yeah, interior unicorns journal notebook, more recipes, yeah, alphabet writing, you name it, guys. Or you can come up here and you can type in, I don't know, let's have a look, Christmas activity. Let's see what it gives us. So look, Christmas colouring pages, yeah? Gives us Christmas colouring pages, more pages. Now, if you want, we're looking for activities, so let's see if we can. Let's see if we can. So let's see the KDP Interiors. So it's got interiors here. We want colouring pages as well, don't we? So keep that on. Keep it for kids as well. And you can keep it as Christmas. You can go through all this, guys, and see what you want to do. Let's see what you narrow it down, guys. Yeah, and you just open some of them, and if you want them, you keep them. Yeah, well, I'll explain in a minute. Let's just keep it simple for the sake of this video, right? Say, for instance, you want this one. Now you open it up, but where it says here, you'll make sure it says commercial usage allowed. That means you can use it, right? And then, because I pay for the subscription, which is every month, I can download as many different things as I want. Yeah, I'll just click download. If this is what I want, yeah, I'll go through it. Yeah, I want to do that. I'll download it, guys. Or you can come down here, read about it, read a little bit about it. Tells you how many pages, what size it is. Yeah, what files it's going to come in. Yeah, black and white, no bleed, children colouring page interiors. Yeah, interior only. You need to create your own covers. It's not hard, guys. You go on Canva. Yeah, and what I do, guys, I go over to Amazon, over to the Christmas. Yeah, if you're making a Christmas colouring book, or any colouring book, yeah, and you just look at what's doing well. So you look at this, it's 74, 57. This one here, oh, it's a wood driver. Ignore that one. It's not a proper one. But these are the activity books anyway. But you look at colouring books and you just look at who's doing well, and you kind of take inspiration from it. Yeah, don't copy it, but you take inspiration. So going back to here, yeah. Now, if you didn't want to sign up for the subscription, that's fine, guys, because each one you can download individually. You just pay for whatever it is, and most of them, guys, are like $1. Yeah, a couple of dollars here, a couple of cents here. It's very cheap. Yeah, it just makes it easier for me because I use it a lot to have a subscription. Now, I'll leave the link in the description for you, so you can come and check it out. Now, another place I come to is a place called Book Bolt. Yeah. Now, with this, once you pay for it, I'm not sure if it's a one-off payment anyway, but what I do, I pay for the extra, which is called Puzzle Whiz, and it lets you make Sudokus, crosswords, word search, cryptograms, word scramble, missing vowels, mazes, yeah, Kakuro, grayscale, outline, I don't know about that, or connect the dots, yeah. It lets you do lots of different stuff. It shows you different tutorials how to make these, yeah. And all you do, you download it, you upload it to your Amazon, and you've got your own book. Got your own book ready, guys. But for instance, you can come back over to here, Creative Fabrica, and you could type in word search. If you, 1 minute, I'm spelling it wrong here. Word search puzzle book solution. Word search. Yeah. So type in that, and you can have a look at different ones. Now this guy, I'll start from the top. This person, yeah, he's made quite a lot of different ones, and he got 100 different word search puzzles. Yeah, full commercial and print on demand license. So he's already made it for you. Yeah, the different volumes he's made. Come with solutions. Same with over on Puzzle Whiz. If you don't want to go with this guy and you want this one or this one, it's up to you guys. Just have a look, download them. If you want to buy them, then if you've not got a subscription, buy them. And then you can make your own. So, for instance, you download 100 of these, then you go back up here and you type in Sudoku. Yeah, he's got some. Oh no, this is a different thing. It's a Sudoku here. Yeah, dinosaur Sudoku. So you can download these as well, and then you can upload like a couple of pages of these, because you get 200. Yeah, a couple of pages of these, a couple of pages of your word search is what you downloaded. Then you come up here again and type in, I don't know, crosswords, dot to dots. What you name it, guys? Different brain teasers. If that's what you want to make, creative activity book, colouring pages. Download, and you just take a few different pages from each one you download, and you combine it to one, and there's your first book. And you do the same again, a couple of different pages from each one, and there's your second book, and so on, guys. There you've got 200. You can make lots of different books with those 200 designs, with your 100 word search as well. And things like this, guys, KDP Interiors bundle. So let's have a look at this. What this is, guys, yeah? Now this, you're going to get 50 KDP Interior. You get colouring pages, you get dot marker pages, you get scissor skills pages and how to draw. You get 30 pages in one. Yeah, so you get all things like this here. And it features, you got animals, you got Halloween, you got Christmas, cat, sheep, ship, catacorn, llama, fish, you name it, guys. So you get all this great bundle for $16, yeah, so which is saving you $134. So this would cost you $16. But because I already pay for the subscription, I can just download these all if I want. Yeah, I might actually look into this because it sounds like a good bundle, guys. Yeah, you can come down. Oh, these are what you get. This is what you get in it. Yeah, so you get this Christmas colouring pages. Yeah, you get 30 pages. You get how to draw a monster. Yeah, how to draw construction vehicles. How to draw monster trucks. You name it, guys. You're getting lots of different stuff here, and it's all for $16 or free, which is part of the subscription. Now I might actually download this myself. But anyway, guys, the point is, these are some ideas for your KDP Interiors and Q4 ideas. Now, if I was you and you're looking into making KDP books and you want to get into earning money, I would start now for your Q4, because it's the last 3 months of the year, but you need time for it to make the books. You need time for Amazon to accept you, because there could be some problems where you've got to I don't know, edit the cover, change a few things, etc. But also you want it to get indexed into Amazon search results, so then when people do search, they're going to find your book, and then they can start buying it, guys, and that's when you start earning money. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. If this is the kind of stuff you want to look at, I will be making a few more videos where I'm actually showing you how to make these books. So I'll probably show you like a download from Creative Fabrica, then create it in Canva. I edit it in Canva, sorry, and then I download it and I upload it to Amazon. So if you want to look at this, this is my how to make a colouring book. This is my income report for May. And I've got other guys. I think I've got, this is how to make money with video using the KDP, because I do a lot of video. So guys, feel free to check it out, and hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, I'm Jay Roberts. Goodbye.